Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 27, 2026 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong April 27, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, April 27, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 27, 2026 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, April 27, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 27, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.